Hello and welcome to Sing With Me today. My name is Mia Karlsson and today we're going to continue with the last two videos where we did the zzz exercise. A glissando exercise over 5 notes where we practice to keep our throat open throughout and not zzz, not to change it. And if you haven't done video number 2, I suggest you go back and do that because today will be slightly harder when we put some vowels in. So we're going to do Z and za. So E, practice. E, I have a quite classical E. So, a little bit of yawning in my throat. E, 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 E. Really let go of stomach in between. Breathing in between the exercise. And this exercise is quite a warrior, fighting spirit. There is no laziness in this exercise. E. So see if you can have sort of the same opening in your throat of that E. So the actual exercise will sound Z, 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 and so on. I will sing along the first time and then you're on your own the next time. Okay, let's go. Z, 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 Z. Very good. As you can hear, quite big towards the end, quite classical, almost opera. So let's go for you alone. So the same Z, Z. Very good. Okay, so let's do A. A can be slightly trickier. Za, za. It's easier to run into those breaks. Za, za. But give it a try. A. Za, za. Very good. This was a short video, but it's worth practicing to keep your voice open and be able to keep the same sound throughout your voice. Okay. I hope I see you next time. Bye.